Hey guys, I just wanted to go over with you the strategies poets use to write poems. Poets find a topic that gives them a big feeling. Poets find a small moment, detail, or object that holds the big feeling. Poets look with poets' eyes and see the ordinary thing in a new way. Poets write about it, experimenting with line breaks. And here are some examples of some April Fool's poems. This one is by Michaela, and she wrote on April Fool's Day. On April Fool's Day, nothing can delay. From pulling our pranks that might involve cranks, pulling tricks are so sick. It is so much fun for everyone. So that was Michaela's, and then I have one. I want you to notice the repeated lines in mine. I highlighted them red to stand out, and it's April Fool's Day. April Fool's Day is so much fun. You can play tricks on your mom. You can play tricks on your dad. You can play tricks on your brothers and sisters. April Fool's Day is so much fun. You can fool your teachers. You can fool your friends. April Fool's Day is so much fun. And one more poem that I started to write is an acrostic poem. I wrote April Fool's Day going down, and each letter of the words April Fool's Day has a line that starts with the letter. So, A, April Fool's Day jokes. P, pulling pranks. R, really funny. I, interesting ideas. L, laughter. F, fun tricks. O, open a can. O, open a door. L, lots of excitement. And then I would continue. I cannot wait to read your poems. Bye, guys.